Hi, we are going to pick up some furniture in Dijon. We have winning some auction.
Yeah.
And we're heading there now. It will take us about 1.5 hours to go to Dijon, I think. But our neighbors say only 50 minutes for him, so I don't know how he drives. But,
Yeah.
but for
We have
us,
a total of 98 kilometers.
yeah, 98 kilometers. I think about an hour, not more. Because here is, we don't take motorway. We are taking the
Local road.
national road,
Yeah.
which is, when it's national road, you can drive about 1 kilometer is 1 minute, you can say.
Yeah.
So it will take us about 100 minutes.
Yeah, so we have a total of, in one place, 18 lots. And in another place, 8 lots, I think.
Yes.
Yeah.
Total of, you will see stuff that we got from the auction. We've been bad buying things on auction lately.
Yeah.
Because we have the CHATEAU to fill. Yeah, and as a lot of people are gonna say, why you buy it now? You should buy it later. Because it's when you find something that is good price and good deal, then you have to grab it. So, and that's what we did. No wonder we are here to pick up the antique that we have bid on and winning. Johan going to hand in the paper, the lot that we won. And this house look like around here. It's so pretty. The warehouse in the back is actually a warehouse building, and then inside they make it like a front office where you can pick up things. And I think this is where the thing is coming out on this door. Small little door. Let's see what this is. Oh, it's kitchen, the bathroom sink. Someone bid for this. I remember that. I'm looking at it as well. I like it because it have this old sink that they have tap that is hot and cold together, coming out in the same spout, not separate. That's not too bad. And I think this is what this meter thing here to adjust what. I wonder what is for. Nice thing. I like it. And 2 legs to support. Have to look for one like this. I like this, and it's not too big. A little bit the same size as the EU palette. Same size as EU palette, so that easy to remember. Here now to pick up our things that we won the auction, and here a few pieces. This is one of them, and that lamp. Bonjour.
Emballé?
Ouais, alors,
Ok.
moi, si vous voulez, je regarde comme ça, tac, 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 je vais faire en suivant. Hein.
Ok, d'accord. Maintenant, arrive à...
Ouais, j'ai ça encore, les tabourets, mais voilà, le grand vase.
Oui.
Après, ces tableaux, mais j'ai les tabourets américains.
Ok, oui.
I can't wait to clean this up. Look at this. To take it from someone's house. It's exactly the same one we have at home in Sweden, in the bedroom, Johan. It's the same.
Yeah, identical.
Yeah.
Identical.
I pay that one to 200 something. Jeez. Beautiful. It needs a lot of work to upholstery, but that is no issue. This real piece, well done. The cushioning is good. See, I hope we fit everything.
Yes.
God, that's auction, that's lamp. I really like that one there. The lamp on the left. Maybe someone had beat it already. Look at how. Oh, those lamp. I have to ask him to see.
Oh, these ones as well, right?
Yes. Oh, yeah, this painting. You, it is. How many?
1, 2, 3, 4. Right?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know one behind. I don't think that's included because that's not on this list. Here, there's another one here.
You also have one too.
Yeah.
And this is the style of the show. This is beautiful.
Okay, is it stuck to it?
It's heavy.
Not heavy at all.
I'm thinking how we're gonna do that. I want you to put two together, the small one, see how it looks. The glass not gonna come off, right? Oh my god, I love this piece. So many people want it, but we got it at least. Oh.
Yeah.
Luckily we didn't take the dogs, otherwise it could be issue. I think this can put the round one, the other round one on next to each other. Wow. So happy with this one. No, too close. Be careful when you open because thing can just. First lot is that.
A pair of cushions.
No, is this. The left is Italian, the right is French one. So which one do you prefer? French or Italian? That is French. Detail. The baccarat, the crystal is a lot thicker. It's more like a lead crystal, but this one is really thin and really fragile, easy to break. Also, it's crystal, one piece. And if you see here, it doesn't have any connection anywhere. All the way down, all one piece. Even this, all one piece. But with baccarat, is have a connection, has a joy there with the base and here all the way up in one piece. At the auction it said that we thought it's supposed to be the same size with the baccarat, but it turned out to be a lot bigger. So it actually looked good in this room because this room is quite big, as you can see here. It would suit better with the big one, I think, in this room. We should put it wherever that we have space for now until we get all the furniture in. Then we will replace them. We so lucky to get this one. What do you guys think? It will be good in the dining room, I think, or in the. Because we have a fireplace, or in the winter salon. This is going to be nice. It's rain, so you need to be careful with a lot of things that can get damaged. Johan, he loves this one. Yeah, it's quite exciting to buy things via auction because we buy auction via internet, so you don't really haven't seen the real piece. This painting Make sure you afterward. And there, look at that. The cushion Johan took, the two of them, is belong to this these chairs. Duchess, I think they call Duchess.
My new office chair.
Same as the Thornet chair.
You can make it lower, Nick. You said your legs were floating.
Oh, we can?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm happy. I didn't know that we can make it lower. That's another surprise. Many rain already. Let's do these. Yeah, give my glass.
Oh no, this is a span button. Nobody's here. Hey, Nobi.
That's not so heavy. You can take with you. And this one. Macho. Careful. We make it all the way from there. Break it at home. You hear the noise? Mari!
Ready, come.
Mari, disappear again. And in here it's full of things. In here, small things. And this one. This one I need to dust. So what do you want to hang it? Look like what do you think about this stuff? This one is something like, why do I buy this? Because
Lic, you see about stools? The trumpets.
oh, it's the same color as the window. It's matching. It's meant to be.
Yeah.
It's from America. It's a
right.
retro. So we're quite happy. We found this. We're going to have it where, Johan?
We're gonna have a bar downstairs.
Yes. And what you doing now?
Oh, this is my Duchess brise. 170 centimeter long, I think it is. It's three sections, three pieces.
Hold on.
Yeah, and we have cushions here.
We have one exactly like this upstairs, blue color. But I thought it was like for children because they're so tiny, but actually
this
it's
one.
missing bits.
That is there.
Yeah.
And then you have the centerpiece here. You see the curve here? Fits into this curve here. And we have this cushion here.
The cushion is good condition, right? I don't need
Yeah.
to do any
No,
stopping
the cushions
new.
are good. Yeah, no, they're fine. The cushion's good.
Can you put them together, see how it look like? So you can use them like that? Okay. Lady your hand, you want to sit on it, see how it look, how you feel.
Lady, go ahead. I like lady.
How is it?
Yeah, very comfortable.
Very.
Very comfortable.
Wow.
There's no springs in my bottom on this one.
I'm
Good.
happy.
Very good.
It's good condition, but I need to redo the, re-upholstery. But I love the color.
The color is good. The wood is good.
But imagine like we have them. I think we have this in the bridal suite, I think. But we have another one coming.
Yes. Coming from
Bordeaux. That
Bordeaux?
one is come from Bordeaux, yeah.
Detailing is nice.
This one is from Dijon that we bought from. It's beautiful, yeah. A good condition, and I like that.
And then Lic found this table. I had this as a side table for a sofa. Keep this in the center, or you can take this to make. So also now you have this seat.
Two coffee table.
Good size.
It's good
And
size.
the glass is fixed. Here,
And
so not
it's
gonna-
beautiful detail. I mean, look
Yeah.
at the everything. Quite a lot of people bid for this one, so fighting for this one.
Yeah.
Someone really want this, so we go for bid to win on this piece. It's crazy, this one, but it's worth it.
And please let me know which one is your favorite.